Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Stingray 182. Let's start on the exterior and jump on the inside. So to start off with, we have our green main hull color here, with the lower portion being in the white color, giving you a great look on the water, and very sleek design. Not a super overpowering color, so it's going to be very easy to maintain as far as detail goes. You look at the aluminum trailer that we have underneath this boat, which is packaged together with it. Very nice, aluminum all around, very nice fenders, good to go. So as we walk towards the stern here, we have a 115 horsepower 4-stroke Suzuki with about less than 100 hours on it. So this is a great running boat, great powertrain for this, and just gonna be a really good all-around boat. Now we walk over to our starboard side here, and we have our 3-step ladder, making it easy for you to board in and out of your boat. Now as we jump onto the inside here, you see this is a very flat, open layout in here, making it very easy to fit and accommodate all your passengers on board comfortably. Now once we go to our helm area here, you will see we have a Garmin GPS/fish finder to make it nice and easy for you guys to navigate and also to throw a line out and aid you with that. Throttle with your trim, very simple design, simple courtesy lights, bilge pumps, very basic boat that is just exactly what you need to get out on the water and have a good time. Nice expansive front bow seats here that do have storage underneath, making it very easy to fit all that equipment for a full day. Cup holders all around, being all stainless steel, as well as the grab handles, so it's going to be something that can handle, you know, a full day of boating for many years to come. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a boat you'd like to hear more information about, or even go out on the water for a test drive, please let us know. Thank you guys for watching.